Good morning, students. Again I am here with you, and today I am going to teach you some basic things. Today our topic will be sentences and their types. So before starting what is a sentence, let me tell you what is a word. W-O-R-D. Word, a group of letters which makes a complete sense is called a word. Now any group of letters, for example W-O-R-D, 4 letters, but it gives me a sense. If I write O-W-D-R, this is also a group of letters, but it is not giving me any of the sense. So it must give me a sense, then I will call it as a word. Now after this word, let's talk about what is a sentence. Similarly, a sentence is a group of words with a complete sense. If I write here, I am teaching you, then it is with a structure, a group of words, 1, 2, 3, 4 words I have. But if I write teaching you, first one gives me the sense, whereas the second one doesn't give me any sense. So a sentence is a group of words with a complete sense. Now, as you know very well in English grammar, that particularly we have 5 types of sentences. What they are? First one is assertive, second is negative, third interrogative, fourth one is exclamatory, and the fifth and last one is imperative. Why sentences are important? That is a very clear message. In any of the language, first of all, English is just not a subject. Maths, science, these are the subjects, but English, Hindi, French, Spanish, these are languages also, and we have to understand why we need languages We need languages to express what we feel. If I want to switch on the fan, if I want to tell you that kindly switch on the fan, I am thinking it. How will I express it? With any of the language. And basic structure of any language are sentences. So this topic is very important. This is the basic of the language. Now let's proceed towards the types of the sentences one by one. First one is assertive, negative, interrogative, exclamatory and imperative. So what are assertive sentences? An assertive sentence is a sentence which asserts something, or in a simple language, which makes a statement. For example, I am going to market. Now what it is simply making a statement that I am particularly going to market. It is asserting something. We call it as assertive sentence. Second sentence is negative one. Assertive sentences are also called positive sentences. Now, negative sentence. Negative sentences are the sentences which negates something, or we can call it as the opposite of the assertive. It's called negative. For example, I am not going to school. Let's jump upon the third sentence, that is interrogative. Very important sentence it is. Interrogative sentences are the sentences which ask questions. If I want to ask any question, then I will use interrogative sentence. For example, how are you? Or have you done your work? Now we will proceed towards our next sentence, that is exclamatory. These are the sentences which gives me sudden feeling. When you want to express certain feelings. Here I am particularly emphasizing over the word certain, not just feelings but certain feelings or intense emotions. We call it as exclamatory sentences. For example, hurrah, we have won the match. Or this is a feeling of victory. For example, I am feeling sad. I will simply say, alas, the cat is dead. Now here comes the last sentence, that is imperative sentence. So let's study imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are the sentences which express order. For example, sit down. Command. For example, stand up. Advise. For example, you should complete your work. Suggestion. For example, study hard, you will get good marks. And the last one is request. When a sentence contains any one, 5 of them, order, command, advice, suggestion or request, we will particularly call it as imperative sentences. For example, don't talk when the teacher is teaching. So basically these are 5 kinds of sentences what we have studied today. Let me bring back a quick recap what we have studied. Firstly, we have studied what a word is. Again, I am recapping in few of the seconds. Listen it carefully. First thing is word. A word is a group of letters, gives you a complete sense. It must be a group of letters, but complete sense is also required. Next is sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which gives you a complete sense. If you write it with a proper structure, then only you will get the sense. It must be structural. Now we have studied types of sentences. I have told you first one is assertive, which asserts something or which makes a statement. Next one was the negative. We can also call it as opposite of assertive. That is what which negates something, I am not doing it, which contains the word not or no, which is called negate. The next one we have studied is interrogative, which asks you the question. For example, do you understand? Now the next one we have studied is exclamatory, exclamation. Exclamation means sudden feelings or intense emotions. For example, ouch, it hurts me. That is what the work of the language. And the last one is imperative, which is still on the board, which gives you order, command, request, suggestion or advice. One more is there in the older English, which we do not use nowadays generally, but again let me tell you because it is a part of sentences. This is optative sentences. Optative sentences are the sentences which contains curse or boons. For example, may God bless you. This is optative. Now, in language, we cannot express anything else apart from these sentences. Either I will say yes, assertive. If I want to say no, negative. But apart from saying yes or no, sometimes I need to ask questions to somebody, interrogative. Sometimes I want to give order, command, request, suggestion or advice. And the last one is, of course, I exclaimed also. Nothing else can be expressed in any of the language apart from these of the emotions. Just last 1 minute of this lesson and the lesson will be completed. So, there are some qualities. For example, assertive sentences, the first one, it can end with a full stop. We also call it as period or with exclamation mark or question mark. For exclamation mark, exclamatory sentences, question mark, interrogative sentences. These are the characteristics of the sentences. This is exclamation mark, which is a part of punctuations, and this is of course question mark. So that is all about sentences. This is your first topic for class 6 and for class 7. Tomorrow we are going to have a quick and easy exercise in which I will give you some questions. Try to solve it with me. I will also solve it on the board for you. And in grammar specifically, if you understand it, explanation is not everything. You have to do exercises according to you. Tomorrow we will give exercise, and the next day we will start with another topic, that is noun, their kinds, their uses, of course with the exercise. That is all children for today, and let me tell you that it is a world pandemic, COVID-19. So if you are aware of it, kindly make aware to your surrounding areas. Tell people what to do. Wash your hands regularly. You know the things very well. Be hygienic, be healthy, and please use the mask. If you are somewhere where people are with you, kindly wear the mask. If you are alone, there is no need. Thank you. Stay blessed. Stay happy.